Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that many home bakers and cooking enthusiasts may find incredibly useful, the OVENTE 5-speed electric hand mixer, model HM151B. We found this product online and added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the OVENTE HM151B? This electric hand mixer is designed to make your baking and cooking tasks easier and more efficient. With its compact and lightweight design, it's perfect for anyone who loves to whip up delicious treats or prepare savory meals without the hassle of bulky kitchen appliances. Let's talk about some of the standout features that this hand mixer brings to the table. First and foremost, it boasts a powerful 150-watt motor that provides ample strength for mixing even the densest of ingredients. Whether you're whipping cream, beating egg whites, or mixing batter for cakes and cookies, this hand mixer can handle it all. One of the most impressive aspects of the OVENTE HM151B is its self-control speed feature. With 5 adjustable speeds, ranging from 1 to 5, you can easily customize the mixing speed to achieve the perfect texture and consistency for any recipe. This flexibility is particularly helpful when you're working with different types of ingredients or varying mixing requirements, ensuring your dishes turn out just right every time. The mixer comes with 2 stainless steel whisk beater attachments. These high-quality beaters are not only durable but also designed for optimal mixing efficiency. You can effortlessly incorporate heavy ingredients like nuts into cookie dough or create light, airy meringue for pies. The stainless steel material is also easy to clean and resistant to staining, making maintenance a breeze. Ergonomics is another important consideration in the design of the OVENTE HM151B. The shape of the mixer is crafted for a comfortable grip, which is essential during longer mixing sessions. Changing speeds is straightforward, just a simple touch and you're set. And when you're finished mixing, the beater eject button ensures you can safely remove the whisk attachments without getting your hands messy. This thoughtful feature adds to the overall convenience of using the mixer. Cleanup is often a chore in the kitchen, but the OVENTE HM151B simplifies this process. The motor body can be easily wiped down with a damp cloth, while the whisk beaters are dishwasher-safe, making post-cooking cleanup quick and hassle-free. Additionally, the hand mixer comes with a snap-on storage case that conveniently holds the included attachments. This not only helps prevent the beaters from being misplaced but also allows you to neatly store the power cord, keeping your kitchen organized. Now, who is this hand mixer suitable for? If you enjoy baking cakes, making cookies, or preparing family meals, the OVENTE HM151B is an excellent addition to your kitchen toolkit. It's ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned bakers who need a reliable and efficient mixer that won't take up too much space. This mixer can easily handle everyday tasks, making it a perfect companion for anyone who loves to cook or bake. In practical use cases, imagine preparing a batch of fluffy pancakes for breakfast or whipping up a rich chocolate cake for a special occasion. This mixer can seamlessly integrate into your cooking routine, saving you time and effort while ensuring consistent results. Whether you're mixing batter, whipping cream, or preparing mashed potatoes, the OVENTE HM151B will be there to make the process smoother. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile and efficient hand mixer that covers all your mixing needs, the OVENTE 5-speed electric hand mixer is definitely worth considering. With its powerful motor, adjustable speeds, and easy cleanup, it offers great value for anyone who enjoys spending time in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.